Hi everyone and welcome to my unboxing of May's Horror Block. Now in this month's block there is an item from The Omen, Gremlins and Friday the 13th plus more things. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Now the first thing out of the block is a t-shirt, and it is very cool. Midnight Madness. And this, as you can see, are the Gremlins, and that looks very sweet. Very happy with that. So, Gremlins t-shirt. Next is a Pocket Pop tin, and inside we have Jason Voorhees, Freddy Krueger, and Sam from that movie Trick or Treat. This is quality. Let me open up and let you all have a look at. Now the Pocket Pops are like the mini-me versions of your ordinary Funko Pop. But the detail on these figures are very cool. Now, so first we have Sam. Which is very cool. Next, good old Freddy. And finally, Jason from the Friday the 13th movies. So they are very cool. I like them a lot. And I'm going to keep them in the box because even the box looks very well. So stick them back in. Yeah. So very nice indeed, I love that. Next out of the block is a Blu-ray, and it is a movie called Gasm. Now, I never heard this movie. I think it was out last year. That's the artwork on the disc. So, yeah, I'll check that out tonight. Gasm. Next out of the block is a Friday the 13th little pin. It's the hockey mask from Jason wears. Let me take this out of the back. It's quite heavy too. There you go. Jason Voorhees hockey mask. And there's nice weight to that as well. So I like that a lot. So far this block has been pretty cool. Next out of the block we have, wow, a vinyl record, a 45, featuring 2 songs from the Omen. The original Omen, that is, side A, Ave Santani, and side B, The Killer Storm. Now, Nerdblock had said that lucky 2,000th subscribers would receive a red coloured vinyl record. So let me open this up and see am I one of the lucky ones. And I'm not, but that's cool though. That's real old school. Ave Santani and The Killer Storm. So that is pretty cool. Now I will be getting a turntable, but for those who haven't got one, you could easily frame this and stick it on the wall, as that is truly a collector's item. So, the Omen vinyl record. Now, next out of the block, and this is pretty cool too. It is number 1 of Penny Dreadful with a Horror Block exclusive cover. Let me take it out of the bag. Now I love Penny Dreadful, I love the series. Season 3 is out at the moment. So the comic comes bagged and boarded. And the cover, that's just the back there. Looks pretty cool. And the artwork, is quite nice too. So that's very nice. I'm going to have a good read of that. From Titan Comics. The artist on the cover is Paul McCaffrey, and the interior art is illustrated by Louis de Martinez. It's pretty striking stuff indeed. So, Penny Dreadful, issue 1, with an exclusive Horror Block cover. And finally, we have the Rue Morgue horror magazine, and on the cover, as you can see, The Conjuring 2, which I will be looking at when it comes out. And inside, articles featuring classic horror, videos, Blu-rays, and comics as well. Rue Morgue is always a good read. An advertisement for Horror Block. Issue 167. And that is it for the items in the block. All that's left now are the info cards. Horror Block exclusive The Omen vinyl record. And then we have the Gremlins t-shirt, the Gasm Blu-ray. Summoning an ancient evil entity may sound like a good idea at the time, but we sure don't suggest it. Next time you're bored and brainstorming ideas, let's move away from black magic and maybe pop in your Gasm Blu-ray instead. The hockey mask pin, exclusive pin, the Pocket Pop 3-pack, the variant cover Penny Dreadful, and Rue Morgue issue 167. Next month, June's Horror Block comes with 2 pop vinyls. That's pretty cool. And prepare to meet the man of your dreams with an exclusive item from A Nightmare on Elm Street. Also, this month's Horror Block contains 2 exclusives. This is the next one, the June's Horror Block. And this June, brace yourself for some terrifying exclusives from Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Jaws, The Strain, Turbo Kid, and more. And that is it for the Horror Block. I must say I'm blown away with it. I think that this particular month's block is excellent. I just loved everything in it. So I'm looking forward to next month's. So in the meantime, I leave you to it. All the best. Bye bye.